Welcome back to the Crypto Factor. Welcome back to your favorite cryptopreneurship show. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And today we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin charts, the altcoins. We're going to be looking at the pumps, see what's going on in the market, answer your questions in the chat. But I also want to address ICP and XRP in this video because it just seems that every single time I try to be clear about something, every single time I try to be transparent about something, it seems like everyone's suffering from TikTok brains, or at least most of the XRP army is suffering from TikTok brain. Same thing with ICP, and I just don't understand how brain dead you have to be to not understand what I've been saying, not this time, not last week, not last month, not last year, but for the last 3 years, I've been right. And not only that, now that things are coming in fruition, I'm even more right, but everyone's still making fun of my videos for some strange reason. So I just want to address that in the beginning of the live stream. Why do I want to address this in the beginning of the live stream? Because I don't want to make a separate video about it again. I'm sick and tired of making XRP videos all the time. And I just want to point people to this live stream. So if you are brain dead and I pointed you to this live stream, please listen. Then maybe stick around, see what we say in the live stream, because maybe you'll learn a thing or two as well. It's up to you. You can continue being an idiot if you want to. It's okay. So just to clarify, one final time, hopefully, and I say that, and I know it's not going to be, but just to clarify one final time, from the last 3 years or so, for the last 3 years ago, before the situation with the SEC, I said that you should get out of XRP. We sold close to all-time highs, going down, and then at some point I said, get out of your XRP positions. I still had the bag left. I'm getting out until it breaks 72 cents. Why? Because I noticed resistance at 72 cents. This was before the SEC situation happened. Then the SEC situation happened, and the only thing I said about that was that this is going to take a long time, and I was attacked a lot for that. I said it's going to take 2-3 years. Like, no, it's going to finish in a couple of months. It's all FUD. And basically, that's what I said. And all I was saying is, listen, don't go into XRP right now. Wait for it to break 72 cents. If it breaks 72 cents, then you can buy XRP from 72 cents to $1. Yes, buying higher makes sense, and I'll tell you why in just 1 second. So wait for 72 cents and buy to $1. Then in anticipation that if it breaks $1, you're looking at a $3 to $4 XRP by the end of the bull market. Maybe $10, but that's a stretch. And I'm saying the same thing for over 3 years. 3 years, okay? Now, yes, I don't particularly like XRP. Yes, I particularly hate XRP influencers because they are liars, complete liars, or they listen to news, they don't know how to interpret it, and they just interpret it in a way that's just not real. I've made too many videos about this. I'm not going to go into it, but all is not what seems to be. That's all I'm saying. I never said it's not going to go up, never said you're not going to make profits. We actually made a trade. We actually got in at 72 cents or 75 or 80 cents, all the way to $1, took profits into Stellar, and outperformed you anyway as traders. As investors, we outperformed you regardless, because as you were waiting and accumulating XRP at under 72 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. If you got in at 20 cents, I actually have a video telling you that it's a good time to get in if you want to get in. At 20 something cents and at 60 cents, I actually have 2 videos on XRP saying, listen, if you want to get in anticipation to the break, get in now. You can go check that. But as you were waiting for that 72 cents and that was just staying there, you missed an entire bull market. Everyone and their mother made money except you. You missed a whole bull market. Most of this one, waiting for that 72 cents to break. And as soon as it breaks, you come to my channel in my comment section being, okay, see, you got wrecked. Ha! Bitch, we made 500x. You got like a 2x because you got in at 40 cents more than me. And then we still got out and you're still waiting. And then we got into Stellar. And then we might rotate back. It doesn't matter, even if you're just holders. If you're just holders, you fucked up anyway. I mean, again, you were waiting for it. You were tricked into opportunity cost. And you have to learn what opportunity cost means. When your money is locked here and prices go up here and you're locked here because you're deluded and I will never diversify. I will just buy more XRP. Ha ha ha, I just bought more. Ha ha ha, I just bought more. Yes, and you're poor. Yes, and you are poor because you don't listen. Now, opportunity cost. It's the same notion when all these influencers tell you, just buy in the bear market. No, that's the worst time to buy. A bear market is the worst time to buy. Why is it the worst time to buy in the bear market? Very simple. Bear markets are long and gruesome. They usually take 2-3 years, right? Or 2 years. These 2 years, many things can go wrong. CEOs might fight between themselves. Companies might scam you. Companies might get scammed. Smart contracts might not work. Tech might go obsolete, or they don't need that tech anymore because something else happens. Or guess what? If you're locked up with opportunity cost, later on you realize, hey, it's not XRP that's running. Gaming and AI is running. What does that do? You're still locked. So what's going on here? So when is the right time to buy? Not in a bear market. You buy as you're coming out of a bear market. Because then you see what's not paused, what narratives may come, what companies still exist, and then you can play the right play. You're listening to all these influencers telling you shit like that XRP will go to 10K, which is literally something like, I can't remember the numbers. I made a video about it. I'm not talking about market cap in the sense like, oh, it can't happen and who cares about market cap. I'm talking about market cap where $1,000 is 4 times the GDP of the entire world. And 10,000 is something like 8 or 16 times. I can't even remember the numbers. Look it up. I have videos on this. So how in the blue smurf do you believe that XRP will get there when there's 100 billion tokens and they're dumping 1 billion tokens every month? And I'm not saying they don't put some back into escrow, but you have 1 billion tokens getting released every month. And yes, it can still go up to $4 to $7, maybe 10. And if it goes even more, let's say for argument's sake, the end of the bull market is there and it goes a little bit more. Who gives a shit? You're gonna sacrifice 10x or 8x or whatever it works out to for another X or 2? That's why you're stupid. That's why you're poor. I'm trying to help you. I'm not attacking your precious little coin, right? I don't like it because it's centralized. It's completely centralized. If you tell me it's not, I literally challenge anyone to come on the live stream with money if you want and debate me why it's decentralized. Because it's not decentralized. Because if Ripple holds 50% of the supply, and hear me out here, if they hold 40% of the supply, 30% of the supply, 20% of the supply, they still have control. And don't give me this shit of, oh, it was given to them. Yes, we know. Some of us have been here before you in crypto. Don't tell me shit like I don't know, like it's news that I haven't heard of before. Price talks, you got wrecked. Now you made a couple of X's, which we pretty much did as well, but amplify it even more because you started probably buying higher, thinking it's gonna go to $10,000 or $100 or whatever your favorite influencer tells you it's gonna go to, and you got wrecked. Learn this. Learn to think. Don't go onto my comment section when I make a video. Meanwhile, one more thing. I made this video right here. 5 crypto coins I will never buy and you shouldn't either, okay? Catchy title so you can click, obviously. XRP and ICP is 2 of the coins of that video. Now, in the beginning I say XRP, and I say, while it's not the worst one on this list, it can still go up and make you profits. Here's why I personally don't like it, blah, blah, blah. Then I get attacked in the comment section, okay? And then not only that, I made that video And because my editor was away because he had some problems, I couldn't get that video out for a few weeks. So the video came out a few weeks later. You can see that with the price, because when I made that video, the price was 50 cents or so. But I still put out the video even though XRP broke $1 because I'm very transparent. And all I did was record a little video in the video saying, hey, guess what? XRP did break 72 cents. Congratulations. As you can see me saying in the video and every other video before that, once it breaks, it's a good buying opportunity. And then I get slammed for that. Like, oh, look, he's putting it in because now he thinks, ha, ha, ha. And now he's doing it for the views and ha, ha, ha. Stupid idiots. If I wanted to hide something, I just wouldn't release the frickin' video. I release 3-4 videos a week. I have over 1,700 videos on my channel. Can you learn how to think? Because you're gonna be poor for the rest of your life. Even if XRP goes up, you're gonna be poor because you're gonna lose it all because you're an idiot. And you can save yourself now that it's early. You really can. You really can. You just need to think and realize you're stupid. You have to realize that you're an idiot. It's okay. You don't have to be a genius to make money. It's fine. Listen, there's two people, right? Dunning and Kruger. In 1993, there were two psychologists, Duncan and Kruger. That's where the Duncan-Kruger method theory comes from, right? So, and these people said a couple of things, okay? One thing is going to sound offensive. And then the other thing is if you actually read books, you'll realize it's actually good information. So the offensive thing that everyone uses, that's kind of like viral, and oh, Dunning-Kruger, and oh, you're Dunning-Kruger, and all that, is that Dunning-Kruger said that stupid people are so stupid they don't realize how stupid they are. Their brain is not capable of understanding their own stupidity. And I understand, this is what everyone refers to. But they said something else very interesting, okay? They said this, that the more confident you are in something, the more confident you are, the less, not sophisticated, the less IQ you have. So when you make an assumption that XRP is going to go to 10,000 and you're just hard set on it, and you can't debate it, because you can't. Every single argument I heard is horseshit. It's just speculation and BS, all right? And if you understand fundamentals of economics and how things work, you'll understand it's also BS. But anyway, regardless, let's just say, let me just give that to you a second. You have to realize that the more confident you are in something, without further researching both sides, the more stupid you are. And the more wrong you can be. Even if we take stupid out the equation, you have to understand that most people are wrong. And too many people think this about XRP. And most of them will remain poor. Because generally speaking, stupid people don't get rich. 95% of people won't get rich even in this bull market. Either they will sell too early or too late. And most of you will sell too late because you're not going to be taking profits at $4 to $7. I'm trying to save you this time so you don't miss yet another bull market. Or maybe 10 at tops, and you're gonna hold for that $100, $200, $5,000, whatever you think is gonna happen, and you're gonna get wrecked. You're gonna get wrecked, and you're gonna be like, oh my God, it's okay, it will come. It will. I heard shit like, it'll go up in the bear market. You're idiots. And the sooner you realize you're idiots, the sooner you'll start getting smarter. Okay? But you have to realize, every time I look at something, and I say to myself, I'm 100% sure about that, I'm like, hold up, Paul, Dunning-Kruger. Maybe you're wrong. Maybe you should take a step back here. And they've done it multiple times with XRP. So now I'm pretty more confident. But even now I'm not 100%. You're hearing me say $4 to $7, maybe 10. But I'm not saying it's not going to go to $14 or $20. I'm just saying take profits. Why risk 10x for another 2x? Because a 20x is not going to be a 2x. There's not going to be a, from the beginning, it's like from after, like, you have to understand this, right? Anyway, and stop telling me, look, it pumped 100% or it pumped 90%, because that's, when you have a coin with a number, let's say you have $100, and it goes down 50%, right? Then you don't need 50% to break even. You actually need to go 100% to break even. So when it goes down 90%, you need multiple X's just to break even. And this is another concept you don't understand. And the third thing and final thing that I'm trying to help you here, I'm trying to help, because you can hate me all you want, but I actually want you to make money this time. I want you to not miss this bull market and actually be able to afford to buy a shirt and afford to buy your girlfriend an ice cream, because you lost your shirts in the last bull market. You're about to lose them in this bull market. Now you're making some money. First thing you should do is buy some shirts. Don't go around naked anymore. I mean, it's disgusting. It's just not a good look. And then you'll be able to buy some ice cream for your girlfriend, and she'll stop cheating on you with other people with Bitcoiners. Right? So please, for the love of God, just listen to me. So anyway, I digress. That video, I put it out because I have nothing to hide. The little note in the video was to show you where the trade or what region to look at, and to understand that I've been saying this all the time. I even said once it breaks 72 cents, it's going to break over $1. Anywhere to $1 you should be buying, and I still don't get no credit for it. What else do you want from me? Seriously. I'm not stripping, by the way. I'm not taking my shirt off. I'm just getting hot because I'm shouting in here. So bear with me. Let me put that over there. All right, so when it comes to ICP, and look, by the way, real quick, this is not, you don't have to be a genius. Look, this is XRP right now, okay? $191, okay? If you go to the yearly, if you go to the all-time chart, look at this. This is where the resistance is right here. Look, 72 cents is somewhere around here, right? Let's say 70 psychological. Right here, this resistance. We saw it break out and come back under, and I said don't go in until it breaks up again. That's very simple shit. Now it's breaking out. It's probably going to re-challenge all-time highs very easily. Why? Because there's no resistance. That's why I also said in many videos to watch the $2 level here, which on this chart for some reason is 1.7. But regardless, but there's no resistance. It should re-challenge all-time highs. And if it breaks that, $4 to $7 is in play. Very, very easy. You can look at the logarithmic chart as well. It's very easy. This is not hard to do. And you don't even need to know how to do TA. It's just you see a resistance, you see it keep on coming down. Yes, the more times it hits, it gets weaker. But you were seeing it come down with a vengeance. So it was just, and everything else was running. So it was opportunity cost, right? That said, let's look at Internet Computer. Internet Computer, same thing. I actually said, okay, it broke out in the video, but you could see, okay, now you're seeing some action here. Now it's struggling to get these all-time highs again over here. Well, not all-time highs, these highs again over here. But generally speaking, I would get interested again. I could start buying now. I'm not, but I could start buying now. Why? Because look at this fucking price chart. If you didn't listen to me, you were getting wrecked for years. You were listening to what was his name? This guy. There's this guy that talks about Banther. I forgot the name now. I'm not being disrespectful. I honestly forgot his name right now. All right, but you're listening to this guy that looks like Vitalik Buterin wannabe, and he's like telling you to get all in on ICP, nothing else, and some stupid coins on ICP. Got you wrecked for the last since 2021. And you're still listening. And look, is this something you want to buy? You missed the whole bull market here. Why would you buy this? Why in the Blue Smurf's name would you buy this? And if you are buying this, and if you don't understand this concept, if you don't understand this shit, okay, I get it. I'm with you, fine. But don't come in the comment section and make a complete fool of yourself. Because you come here and you're invested in XRP, whatever, you have a couple of hundred, you think you're going to become a zillionaire. You're not. Have some respect for us that actually made fortunes in this industry, okay? Just have some respect with some of us that made a journey and are trying to help you for free. You're not paying for this shit. I'm helping you for free here. Have some respect. Listen to the other side. There's 3 sides to a coin. 3 sides. Paul, there's 2. No, there's 3 sides to a coin. The heads, the tails, and the edge. And you need to be able to stand on the edge and look at all 3 sides, including the side you are on. Anyway, that's it. That's all I have to say. So now let's get in with the content of the video like it's supposed to be. Welcome to the Crypto Factor. Welcome to your favorite cryptopreneurship show where we talk about crypto for cryptopreneurs. And today we're going to be looking at the price, the Bitcoin price, and we're also going to be looking at your questions in the chat and alts. And Bitcoin is ranging. We said that Bitcoin's gonna break. We said that Bitcoin is gonna pull back at about 98,000. It went up to 99,000, and it pulled back to 90. We said this is a re-entrance. We got back in. We got into alts. And now it's coming up. We said that Bitcoin will range either in the lower 90s or the higher 90s, and once it starts ranging, altcoins will go up, and they did. We called fucking alt season before it happened. We said it's a mini alt season. Let's see if it extends. It is extending. I'm giving you all this. People are making money that are listening. People are getting wrecked. And even if I was wrong about a coin or two, I have a 90% success rate. Why? Because I don't talk about every single fucking coin that comes on the market like other YouTubers. Because they're talking about it for a reason. Either they're sponsored, but most of the time they need to talk about coins to bring views. I'm not trying to talk about every coin out there to bring views. I'm talking about coins that I see and I research. There's over 30,000 coins. I cannot research all of them, and I'm not going to research all of them because there's no point. Pick your narratives, see what's trending, get in, make money, get out, hold Bitcoin forever, and that's it. That's it. It's simple shit, okay? So now, Bitcoin is ranging. I'm looking at Bitcoin to break out at some point. I'm looking for another dump in Bitcoin around 20% towards the end of the year, beginning 2025. Probably before Trump gets in office. There's gonna be a dump. Altcoins are gonna bleed more. Either take profits into Bitcoin towards the end of the year, or take profits into Bitcoin and USDT. The best play would be taking profits from altcoins into Bitcoin once they start running like crazy, if this indeed is a full-blown alt season and it's not cut short or anything like that. You take profits into Bitcoin, and then if you get the dump, guess what? Altcoins fall lower than Bitcoin. You can use Bitcoin to buy alts in anticipation for the next run. Or if it keeps on going up to the election, even after the election, you're still exposed to Bitcoin. You still have alts, because when I say take profits, for God's name, I don't mean exit all markets. I mean take profits. And I've explained this many times, and people say, oh, you told me to sell all this coin and now it's going up. No, I told you to take profits. Taking profits is, you have $1,000. It goes to $10,000. Your profit taking will be $2,000, $3,000 to $5,000. You do not exit the whole coin unless it's the end of the fucking bull market, right? You need a little bit to think a little bit and understand what I'm saying in videos and not make assumptions. Don't let your TikTok brain not understand this shit. It's simple shit. It's your chance to become a millionaire. Take the fucking chance. Get your head out your ass and start listening. Because every single bull market, I see this every time. Everyone gets wrecked. My friends get wrecked. My viewers get wrecked on my other channel before this one. People got wrecked because they don't fucking listen. And yes, I'm swearing in this live stream because I want to help you. All right, now, why do I want to help you? Paul, why are you so nice? Why do you want to help? Well, if you knew my story, I went through cancer 3 times. I was trying to help people before that. Maybe it's my way to find peace with God. Maybe it's a way because I want to be remembered. Maybe it's just my own sort of ego because I'm a narcissist, which I pretty much am. I like being on camera, otherwise I wouldn't be on camera. But generally speaking, I'm trying to help you. And then maybe, just maybe, if you actually make some money, you can afford to buy one-on-one coaching with me so I can show you how to work DeFi or whatever. Or maybe you can get into the VIP group where we make some calls so you can make some extra money. Once you start making money, you can try it out. Does that make sense? By the way, talking about the VIP Factor group, last day today, maybe tomorrow, it's going to be $49. After that, it's going to go to $69. I kept on warning about it. If you want to get in now, get in now with $49. The link is in the description down below. Click it or don't. I don't care. It's going up to $69 tomorrow. All right, now, let's go back. Super chat by Marco Franco. Thank you so much for the epic rant super chat. I'm going to be looking at your questions in just 1 second. Want to be looking at altcoins. These are our favorite picks. Generally speaking, altcoins are doing well across the board. Almost everything is in green here. Our favorite picks are right here. I show you these in every live stream. I add a few, I take out a few, whatever I'm holding. But generally speaking, I also use this as a guide of what I'm holding in my wallets. Now, obviously, not everything is on Crypto Bubble, so you're just seeing the ones that are available on Crypto Bubbles. Yes, I've been holding G Swift forever, begging people to buy G Swift. You saw what happened with G Swift. And we made the call pretty much on time in the group as well. Give me a second. Now, I just added some coins, Desync being one of them. GTAI, we converted out and converted back in with profits. H-bar, we got in when I told my group we got in. I can't even remember. They could tell you in the chat if somebody's here. We also added Vanry yesterday, I believe. And a few more plays that are not on here, right? And I'm watching a few coins as well. I'm watching these coins here as well. I got in, got out of Algo. I should have stayed in. That was a mistake on my part. We got out of Illuvum for the gaming coins. I'm looking to get back in. I have XRP here because I'm watching it, because I did make a trade with it as well. We got in, we got out, we got into Stellar. XTZ, I'm watching it. It's an American narrative coin. I'm watching these coins. ICP, I'm watching it. I also had it here so I can remember to do this video. Now I'm doing this video. I don't give a shit about it, so I'm basically going to take it out because I don't like ICP, generally speaking. I'm not telling you can't buy it. I'm just telling you it's not for me. When it comes to meme coins, these are our meme coins. We're doing well. These are long-term meme coins that we are holding in our portfolio. I've been making videos about this forever, telling you about these forever. These are the only ones we're holding, maybe a couple more. We did a trade on Peanut as well. Unfortunately, like an idiot, I also make mistakes. I got into Peanut before it blasted off, but I actually got into the Ethereum version. So I make mistakes too. So I'm not a god. I'm just very good. I just get 90% things right. Not everything is right. And that might change. I might get even less. Doesn't matter. But I'm trying to help you again. So that said, let's go to the altcoins. What are altcoins going to do? Altcoins are going to be running. Altcoins are going to be running for a while, in my opinion. At some point, they might go down. They might scare us. But generally speaking, I do believe at this point, they'll go up maybe for a couple of weeks more towards the end of the year. If we get a dump end of the year before the Trump, I prefer it. I want to get a dump before Trump takes office, preferably in January, but we don't know. The markets don't always do what we want. If we get the dump before Trump, with Trump, markets are going to start running. Anticipation of better markets is going to go even higher, and it will shake a lot of people out. Perfect scenario. If we do not dump before, then we're going to dump around the Trump, when Trump gets in. That's a sell. It's going to become a sell the news event. Hopefully that will happen if the prior doesn't happen, and then we can continue to the upside, or we don't get no dump at all. We don't get no dump until Trump comes out. But what happens if that happens? If Trump comes out and we don't get a dump at all, there is a possibility everything will run very fast to the upside, in which case you need to take profits pretty aggressively, because at some point inevitably going to have a dump, probably a while after when something, we don't know what's going to happen, but something's going to happen, we're going to get a dump. But generally speaking, when things go up too fast, they dump. So I prefer it to happen now. Oh, Paul, you just said anything can happen. Yeah, just take a look at that. No, I'm telling you what to fucking do and look out for each scenario, so you can strategize around all of them. And that's why I'm telling you, take profits from altcoins into Bitcoin towards the end of the year, beginning 2025. Not your whole positions, profits. So that if Bitcoin continues going up and altcoins go up, you're still exposed. And if Bitcoin goes down and altcoins get obliterated, you can buy them back with Bitcoin. I'm giving you a fucking strategy. I'm not just telling you, oh, this can happen, that can happen. That's my analysis. Ha, 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 Mr. Comment Wise Guy. That's not what I'm doing here. I'm giving you this strategy. By the way, do you like my little Christmas decoration? You probably can't see it because it's got the bogus effect. If I go like this, you should be able to see it, though. Look. See Father Christmas calmly going around with his reindeers, and everyone's playing in the park, right? And you see that poor person here, there. You can't really see him. He's behind. There's one person all alone. He's poor. He has no Christmas presents or anything. Everyone forgot about him. That's from the XRP army, right on the side there. And I think they're going to be joining up with ICP pretty soon. Anyway. Let's answer your questions in the chat. Mali says, from now on, I'm listening to Paul. Thank you very much. Dampa says, when do you see Foxing going to this bull run? I think Fox is going to do very well. Billionaire market cap. I'm not looking at market cap for Foxy, dude. 1 year. Look, let me tell you what you cannot. Okay, let me tell you the biggest alpha I can possibly give you. No one's talking about. Okay. Foxy's a new coin. I'm going to give you a few points here that no one's really talking about. Foxy's a new coin. When something is new and there's no price history, there's no price analysis. I can't give you a top or anything because it's constantly in blue sky breakout and price discovery. Either it works or doesn't. You can't use Fibonacci or anything like that either because there's no price history. Yeah, maybe you can to certain levels and you have to do it again. Like, it's the same shit. There's no price history, therefore there's no technical analysis. So I don't know how high it's going to go. Theoretically, it can go up forever. Number two, where do I wait to take profits? Don't chart meme coins or coins specifically. Chart Bitcoin, altcoins, and maybe narratives like meme coins within those. It's a lot easier to chart. So don't look for what the price you're selling at Foxy. Look at when you think Bitcoin is going to top, when altcoins top, and then sell at that point or close to that range because you're not going to get the exact top, right? So you want to be charting Bitcoin, charting altcoins. For example, Bitcoin versus Solana. Yes, I'm the one that said you should chart Bitcoin versus Solana, not Ethereum when we were looking for alt seasons last year. And that's how we got the mini alt seasons and the meme manias because we charted with Solana, not Ethereum. But you can also throw in Ethereum right now as well so you can see if it's going to make a comeback and what's going on with the ERC20 tokens. But basically you chart Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum. Then, whenever you think those are topping up, which have price history, which you can do technical analysis, whatever that price is, that's when you take profits on other coins, depending on the narratives they're in, right? So it makes your life a lot easier, and you can actually do technical analysis on it, all right? So that's what I would personally do. As for Foxy, it's not really a meme coin play, it's a linear play, right? So I don't put it in the same category as Giga, SPX, and whatever because linear belongs to Consensus, which also made or is behind MetaMask. So Foxy is the mascot of MetaMask. So it's not really a meme coin play. It's a way to invest into MetaMask. There was Foxy and there was Linex, which is their exchange, their Uniswap, so to speak. So those are the two coins you bet on linear chain, which belongs to MetaMask. As new people get onboarded, then they're probably going to push them to these coins, and these coins should do very well long term. So it's a long term play, even though it's a meme coin, so to speak, if that makes sense. You can't skip other memes. There are other memes that have a role, but long-term meme coins, I've always said this, Brett, Doge, Foxy, Base, well, Brett on Base, sorry, excuse me. And there's a couple more. I got videos out there. Those are the ones you'll be holding. I made a whole thesis about meme season, why it's different this time, and so on. I was completely correct. Again, I was correct with the meme seasons and the mini alt seasons and everything. You can check back, look at the videos, and you will see. Brian K. Paul, you and the VIP factor are making me so much money. I'm gonna, nice man. 26-degree cold and nothing but a Speedo and a sign. Need money to watch the crib. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate you, dude. Really appreciate. By the way, let me mod you because you're in the VIP factor. Let me put you in the mod. Use your moderating skills and power wisely. Don't just ban people. Warn them first. You know. Only if they're spamming a lot. I can take criticism. Marco Franco picked up Immutable X. Nice. Holding long. Would like to increase my position in ADA. Will it go on? I don't know if it will go under or not. I don't know that. If we have a massive pullback, yes, more than likely. But how many X's are you going to sacrifice until we make that pullback? ADA is now part of my bag. I have a small position, not a big position. It's part of it. I might convert into other coins depending on what the markets do. I'm trading ADA, not holding ADA, so I can't give you an answer as an investor. I'm only giving you an answer as a trader at this point. And when I say trader, I don't mean day trader. I do not day trade. I swing trade. I do long-term trades. That's why I don't do technical analysis on my channel. I just do technical overviews every Sunday. There's no technical analysis to do long-term because everything's the same. It doesn't change. Everyone's making videos every day like they're day traders because it's the only way to bring views. I don't care about that because I don't do that. I don't want to do that to you because I'm just going to drive you crazy with emotions every day. Oh my God, go don't cross this. Go, and it doesn't apply to you because there's no day traders. So, yeah. Yes, Bill, please check your email later on. Okay, Bill, I will do, but please understand I am going out today after this live stream. I'm taking my girlfriend. We're going with her sister and their boyfriend. We're going to go eat some dinner. So yeah, so I'll check it, but I might have to answer tomorrow, Bill, just so you know. It depends on how long the answer is supposed to be. Harry, what's up, my man? Hi, Paul. Should I get into Miria and Polygon now? You can, Sambat, get into Miria now. Polygon, I'm not sure. I'm not going to chart it right now because I don't have a lot of time and I want to answer all questions on here. But generally speaking, Miria is a good coin. So is GFAL. So is G-Swift. GFAL too, for a lagging one. So if you pick up Miria, G-Swift, and GFAL, yes, some have already run, doesn't matter. You're also picking up a lagging one, and it's a good combination to invest in my opinion. And no, I don't need to say this is not financial advice because it's my opinion. I'm allowed to give my opinion on shit. Unless there's securities. The only reason I say it's not financial advice is because I need to know more about you in order to give advice, and I'm not allowed to accept money to give advice, and I don't accept money to give advice. I accept money to help you navigate through crypto. If the question comes up, this is a different story. Anyway, Paul, should I get into... and it also depends which country you're in. I'm not in the States, so it's not applied under SEC. Why is 100,000 to break? Is it a round psychological number that's pretty fucking high, Harry? But yeah, no, it's hard to break because it's a psychological number, and a lot of people probably take shorts at that point and put stop losses above 100,000. So it just makes sense. It's just an easy trade. So short sellers are just having the time of their life because you can understand, even though it comes up, they probably take profits when it's down here. It comes back up, hits, take profits, comes down here, and so on. And it's gonna break. The more it hits, there's a mosquito in this motherfucker. Shit. Anyway, the more it hits, the weaker it gets, so at some point it will inevitably break. Yo, Paul says... Where are we? What's up, Christopher? It's yours. Say, yo, Paul, how are you? I'm doing good, man. Why are the most gains now in big caps, my small cap, mid caps? Because I'll tell you what's going on. Because the cycle is returning to normal. So as I've stated many times, the alt seasons last year were mini alt seasons, and we call this, I told you this will happen. And the reason there were mini alt seasons and not full-blown alt seasons, because Bitcoin ran a lot faster than it was supposed to. Retail didn't get in yet. Bitcoin started consolidating, and nothing was really moving except sectors. Sectors were moving because it was moving from within crypto. Money wasn't coming in from outside. Then the meme mania happened and everyone started making meme coins. And then as soon as meme coins started taking on, Whales started releasing meme coins to get money because that's what whales do. But then with Solana and everything and the other chain meme coins with zero fees or small fees, everybody and their mother started making meme coins. People like teenagers in their house and so on. These are people that you were giving your money to. And of course they were rugging a lot faster because it didn't take fees to rug. Ethereum was harder to rug because you have more fees. So they were generally longer term plays. But when it came to Solana and such, everybody was dumping because they wanted a quick buck. 10,000 was a lot for them. 20,000, 100,000 was a lot for them. So generally everyone was stealing your money. Then the SEC, with their infinite wisdom, started saying that all utility tokens are essentially securities. So exchanges wouldn't touch them, investors wouldn't touch them, and guess what? Exchanges, they make money from selling and buying. So now they're like, what are we gonna do? And they're like, oh, wait a minute, meme coins have no utility. So according to the SEC, meme coins are not securities. So they started listing meme coins on their exchange. Of course, meme coins were paying them, but even if they weren't, if the small ones were getting in first and the big ones were getting in later, and this caused them meme mania. And I actually said we're gonna have multiple meme manias. We don't know when this is going to end, but at some point it's going to crash down. And I'm still stand by that, but there are still some meme coins to hold. Regardless, anyway, whatever. Now, with the Trump administration, more clarity, SEC Gary Gensler leaving, and so on, this cycle is going to turn to normal. And generally speaking, when new people come in, when retail comes in, what do they invest in first? The top coins. What do old investors that left in 2017 come back to? What do they remember? Old coins. Big man. What do institutions and companies invest in? The biggest coins first. Then as money comes in there, they drop down to the medium caps and the low caps, and then there's a dump and everything, and rinse and repeat. generally speaking. And that's why I keep on saying, and I was saying for many, many standalone videos and live streams, that history doesn't repeat, it rhymes. What else? Everyone was saying this, not just me. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. There's nothing like genius about it. The genius is when I said history repeats, doesn't repeat, it rhymes, try and find what's different this time. And that's where you make most money. That's why we called AI before anybody else. We said AI in the previous bull market for this bull market, right? So that's what the hard thing to do is. People should be buying projects like Peak, where you could be buying for the past 3 weeks. Okay, how high do you think Algorand will go this cycle? Again, don't chart Algorand, chart Bitcoin, chart Solana, chart Ethereum. When those come toppy, then you sell altcoins. When the altcoins are going to be blah 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 blah. All right. When altcoins look like in a dump, but they get toppy, that's when you sell Algorithm as part of those, and you buy back, and you take profits depending on when you are in the market. There's no specific answer to this, my friend. I could lie to you. I could take you and look at charts right now and show you this and show you that. Well, actually, Algorand has some price history, but the truth is, Algorand's probably going to break all-time highs, so it's going to be in blue sky breakout. Let's have a look. Because I was talking about Algorand 2 years ago that's going to go up in this bull market, and you can check this, you can fact check me. Go to my old videos, look at my interview with JP Richardson and my videos around that time, and then now and then throughout I keep on saying that Algorand is going to be big because Algorand is what Exodus is built on. It's my favorite crypto wallet. So anybody saying, oh, he's just saying everything, no, you can fact check me. Go back to my videos. Let's have a look, 48 cents. So yeah, all-time high is about $3. Needs to break 94 cents for it to start going up, re-challenge this area right here. Yeah, so maybe $10 if it keeps running, but I'm not sure if it's worth holding over other coins. Just saying. And that's towards the end. So I think other coins are going to outperform it in the shorter term, so maybe look at it later or buy some and just hold it long term. Please check out AI Oz Network, $8 to $10. AI Oz Network is one of our biggest plays. There's no point in doing this. Really isn't. But if you, and I know you like hearing numbers, and that's why you watch YouTubers. All-time high is at $2.14. I believe this is going to break. I'm definitely thinking that AI Oz can get from $5 to $10 by the end of this bull market at the very least. But again, it can go a lot higher. I'm not going to chart that because it's in blue sky breakout after. There's no way to chart and chart it or base it. Yeah, you can take an extension from here to the... No, you just can't because it's in blue sky breakout and price discovery. It's one of my biggest positions. That should tell you a lot. I've been talking about it forever. That should take you a lot. Tell you a lot. Please make an exit strategy video. I pretty much call the tops before they come in, bro, and I tell people how to exit around that time. I did it last time. I called the double top with a drop to 30K. I called the bottom at 15.6K before it happened. Hopefully I could do it this time as well. Just subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the video, because I will be screaming my head off again, telling people to sell, and people in the comments telling me I'm an idiot all over again for the third time, for the third bull market. The best ball genius in this space. Is Polkadot any good? They're innovating, they're working behind the scenes, might be one of those big comeback coins for the old coins that make a comeback. I don't think they're going to make the most profits in this bull run, but they certainly can do very well. Best channel. Thank you very much, Demetrius. Thank you for everything, Paul. Need 4x this month, and I'm out. 80%. Awesome. Let's see if we get that. Certain coins, maybe. Have you seen the meme coin called... Yeah, I don't. I love them too. I really do. My thoughts are... It's like you want to you want me to give you analysis on a coin that's called We Love Tits. Really? You want me to do this? Like, why what's its use case? It's that people like tits and they are confident in it. They want to put it in, what is a statement? What? Like why the fuck would it go up? It's gonna go up because people are gonna be buying, anticipating. But it's basically some guy making the coin, is going up, and it's gonna steal your money. And a lot of people fall in this trap where they think, okay, if it goes up, I could just sell anyway. You don't get the money because it's such low liquidity. It goes up and then they pull liquidity and just goes down as you're selling, as you market sell, and you get a fraction of it. Don't you get it? You're a victim. Yes, you might not even be able to take it. The only way to take profit is selling as it's going up a lot. And I have a strategy like that. I actually made a whole course about this. But I don't think it's a good idea for me to tell you like to do it with we love tits or we love ass or we love whatever the fuck. It just doesn't make sense. Polka is a scam, can't sell. Polka is not Polkadot. And you can sell Polkadot because I've sold it and I've bought it many times. Do you think in general about Sol token unlocked in Q1? I think, let's see, if that corresponds to the dump, like if we're lucky enough for the markets to dump around there or around that time, like I was talking about earlier on in the video, that would be a perfect opportunity to take more opportunity to take profits on Sol, get back in, and it'll go back up again. But demand will eat it up again, if that makes sense. I smell dump, I sold all my positions, smart or stupid. Depends on your smelling capabilities. It's never wrong to take profits, by the way. It may be wrong to exit markets at this point, though, even if there was a dump. You could have just took out your initial investment. Crypto pullback city. People put their eggs in one basket, bad idea. Yes, it is a bad idea, but you have to understand that crypto is a basket. So if you, in the grand scheme of things, when you say diversify, you have to say specifically diversify within crypto. Because if you're diversifying within crypto, you have to understand you're not diversifying. Diversifying doesn't mean get a bunch of shit coins. Diversifying means have crypto, have stocks, have gold, have real estate. Right? You don't go to an investor and you say diversify and he just diversifies his stocks. That's diversifying within stocks, and it depends on which sector. If it's the same sector, then it's not really diversifying. So diversifying is different assets. But yes, of course, putting all your eggs in one basket is a bad idea at bigger scales. Like you have a big basket with smaller baskets inside. That's how you really want to think about it. But by the way, please hit the like button. I would really appreciate. Look, I'll even put it as text up on you for screen. Look at that. Look at that graphics. All right, this is just insane. That's all tech for you right there. Push of a button and the like button. Just like I'm pushing this button. Look at that. That's how easy it is for you to hit the like button. And I'm telling you right now, there's no excuse for not hitting the like button, right? You could be speeding down 90 on the highway right now. You could be speeding down 90. It's okay. Push the brakes, slam the brakes, swerve to the right lane. People will understand behind you. Stop the car so you're more responsible. Hit the like button, right? If you're cooking and you're wearing your earpods, and your phone is inside and you can't leave the cooking, because if you leave the cooking, you go inside and you hit the like button, your cooking will get burnt. It's okay. Leave the cooking. Go hit the like button. Go hit the like button. Your husband, your wife, whatever, they'll understand. Charcoal is good for you. They put charcoal in everything right now. So burnt food is good for you. They put charcoal in toothpaste, for Christ's sake. So let it burn. Go hit the like button. It's okay. If you're having sex, if you're fucking right now, it's okay. Go ahead. Lean over. Hit the like button. It's not weird at all. Listening to a podcast on the Crypto Factor while you're fucking, it's normal. It's fine. She'll understand. Like, what are you doing? What's that new move? Like, I'm hitting the like button. It's like, oh, is it the Crypto Factor? Yeah, it's good. Hit the like button. It's okay. It's all good. She'll understand. Do you have if you're on the shitter, taking the shit, and you can't hit the like button because you were just done and you wanted to wipe, it's okay. Use your oh snap, what went wrong? I'm not even sure. Am I connected? Am I connected? I think I got disconnected for a second. I think YouTube disconnected me. They got mad with all the like jokes. Okay, be responsible. Just like the video. I'm not going to say anything else. I'm back shot. Okay, cool. I got disconnected for a second. Oh my God. People didn't like that. Hey, Bill S, one drink for me. Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate you, dude. All right, where was I? I don't even know where I was now. Okay, the chat resetted. What do I think about Sol? Okay, we answered that one. Like done, bro. If you're up with XRP, it's time to take profit and maybe get into AI. I believe it's time to take profits. Hold a little bit of XRP if you want, but take profits into AI. I actually believe that is a good way to think about it, because you want to be taking profits into other coins, preferably Bitcoin, but also diversify in altcoins in an altcoin season, right? Because you're already making money here. Why not take profits and diversify if you're only holding XRP, for example? Which election, Paul? I mean when Trump takes office, man. When the administration takes office. Chill, guy. Let's go. Okay. Can Pixels do a 10x from current price? Yes, they can. And I really believe Pixels can do very well, and I'm holding Pixels strong. What's your prediction for Loon C? I think... Watch my video. I'm not going to talk about... Look, dude. If you want to get into Luna C or Loon C, watch this video right here. 5 crypto coins I will never buy. Right here. Watch it. Watch this video. This video is for you. This video right here, this video is for you, okay? Really, it's for you. Watch this video, okay? You're not going to regret it, I promise you. Just watch it. Hey, Paul, I just joined your VIP group. Thank you very much, Thank you very much, Atin. Awesome. Welcome to the Factor Fam. Can you provide a revised list of coins? Yeah, you go to... provide a revised list of coins to buy where you... Okay, look, here's what you do. Let me show everyone here. First of all, in the VIP group, there's a section called Portfolio. You can look at my updated portfolio and what I recommend. I'll be updating it the next few days as well, so you can take a look at that. Also, watch the live stream we just did. Go to the Zoom section and look at the live stream we just did. A lot of alpha, a lot of calls in that live stream. You have to watch that live stream, okay? It's for the group only. You'll see, you'll have a link that you'll have access to if you go to that section. It's the topic, okay? Now, let me show you how you buy coins, okay? Let's say you want to buy a coin that I listed there. Let's say you want to buy AIOS, for example, okay? AIOS. You write AIOS and you put coin next to it. That should take you to CoinMarketCap. You click CoinMarketCap and now you're at AIOS. You see some fancy charts here. Let's look at the charts while we're here. It looks like we're breaking up the old time. We're breaking up this level right here. We're actually broken up above it. This should run and re-challenge all-time highs soon. Good buy. Anyway, it's a good buying opportunity. But if you go down here, you'll see, look at this. Markets, AIOS markets. These are all the markets you can buy AIOS in. So it's in PancakeSwap, Coinbase Exchange, HTX, and so on. Now, over here, you see right here where my mouse is, it says all, SEX, don't think dirty, it's centralized exchange, and DEX, decentralized exchange. So you can actually click SEX, or CEX, and now it tells you all the centralized exchanges it's listed on. And you can go through them. Or if you want to go to decentralized exchanges, you can hit DEX, and now you have all the DEXs it's included on. So generally speaking, you just go to the coin you want on CoinMarketCap, you go down to markets and look at which markets it's available in. And it even gives you the tickers here that you can exchange into. So not only that, if you're using a DEX, you can actually take the contract address here and make sure you're buying the right token so you can use a custom buy. You can find it customly so you don't get scammed with a fake token. So you can use this to search for it. And you can even add it to your MetaMask wallet. If I click this, for example, okay, this one's unsupported because I don't have whatever, but you understand what I mean. You can actually add it to your MetaMask if you are logged in, which I'm not, if that makes sense. So essentially, that's how you find your tokens. Please inform us in the group when you are taking profits. Yes, I've already told you in this live stream and in the group and in the shop. In the group, we just had a Zoom meeting and I literally told you what I'm doing and what I'm going to be doing. Just do the same thing and obviously I'll be making a reminder on it. Good morning, all. Did you buy Destra Network in your... Yeah, I had it in my various. So I had Destra in my various section over here. And I recently put it into my favorites because I'm actually holding a bit more of it because I took profits from other coins into it as well. But keep in mind that I might actually get out depending on... But so far, so good. I'm going to be holding it for a while. So yes. Paul, that testosterone is kicking in because you got some XRP roid rage. Yeah, pretty much. Hi, Paul. Always nice to have you live. How much Bitcoin should we always have? It all depends on your style, risk, and if you're a swing trader and so on. There's no right answer. But for me, anything less than 50% is playing with fire. I play with fire a lot. I'm a pyromaniac when it comes to crypto, but just understand that I have long-term positions and I have a shitload of Bitcoin anyway. So you have to understand that you have to have a big position in Bitcoin. It differs to everybody, but you want to be trying and accumulating more and more Bitcoin over time. And then rinse and repeat. Peanut, monsieur. Yeah, how's it going? Thiago, my man. What about Ponke? Ponke is okay, but I prefer dog with hat. Hi, Paul. I wanted to ask after December or January drop alts will continue. Well, look, again, please watch this live stream again, man. I can't keep on repeating answers to questions. But generally speaking, we are going to drop at some point and then go back up. Can you look into peak? No, I can't. Not right now, my friend. I cannot. I want to go through this as much as I can right now because I have to leave soon. I'm going out with my girlfriend. We have a couple sort of dinner in a tavern. So let me just look through here, answer as many as I can. I'm not into peak anyway. So I prefer AIRs and render and stuff like that. Green candles, yes. Yes, it looks shroomy. Do we get XRP all-time high before it dumps? Not right now, but towards the end of the bull market, probably yes. Robert Kiyosaki tweet about Bitcoin is going to 65,000 level. Great. How do you feel? Dude, I don't care. Every time people tell me, he said that guy said that, I don't give a shit. My predictions in crypto have been better than almost everybody out there. I don't understand why you keep on telling me, oh, this guy said this. I don't give a flying fuck. I love Robert Kiyosaki. I have these books right there, right? But not the ones on the wall. The ones on the wall I wrote, but right there, right? I even have some books that you may not know that Kiyosaki has with Donald Trump. Why we want you to be rich. 2 men, 1 message. Trump and Kiyosaki. So, yeah, I love Kiyosaki. But when it comes to crypto, I'd rather listen to me. How do you feel about Ponke? Blah, blah, blah. Again, not my favorite. XRP will not dump. Big news coming soon. Oh, God. What's the big news, man? Please, humor me. Every single time people get wrecked. So what if Gary Gensler's on there? Again, watch this video again for my views on XRP. I don't think XRP won't do well. I think it's going to do extremely well. I told you my targets. But stop with this, oh, you don't know these news and these... This is why people get wrecked, man. It will inevitably dump at some time. Everything dumps at some point. Paul, don't stress yourself. I'm not stressing myself, dude. It's called valuetainment, right? But of course, Patrick Bet-David coined the phrase. He took it as a website, but it's called value. You have to be entertaining on YouTube, right? So it's not like I'm getting overexcited. I'm getting excited, but it's not like I'm stressing. I'm not stressed. You have to understand that I'm not the one that's going to be poor, right? Or at least not for that reason. Again, it doesn't affect me one bit if you listen to me or not. It does not affect me. It affects you, whether negative, whether positive. It affects you, not me. So I'm not stressed for that because it doesn't matter. You don't. What happens to you, what you do does not affect me. What you do affects you. So whether you listen to me or not affects you, not me, right? You have to understand that. Take responsibility here. It's okay, Brad. It's not Bradley Garlinghouse. It's Brad Garlinghouse, my man. But it's okay. Yeah, I'm not saying they're not going to do well. I think they're going to do very well, man. Just take everything with a grain of salt. Hi, Paul. When are we getting dumped? Any possibility? I just talked about this over and over again in this video. Please go back and watch it from the beginning. Please, I beg you. You want to watch the video. Chill guy going, let's go. Yeah. Buy a drink on me. Junior, I am a Sydney, Australia. I have to wait for the outcome. Huh? Oh, he's answering someone else. Okay, cool. Can you please check? No, I cannot. Life Dog. There's nothing to check. It's a meme coin. It's there's no price history because it's new because I've never heard it before. You are too triggered. Chill out. I'm doing fine. I'm not triggered at all. Again, this is you. If you, like, okay, let's chill out. Let me talk like other YouTuber. Okay, let's do that. Let's try that. Let me not be over eccentric. Let me be chill. Okay, let's be chill. See if you like this. I fucked around with these meme crap and got wrecked. Damn. Yes, when you fuck around with meme coins, you can get wrecked. You have to be very careful. Be very responsible. Do your own research. Is that what you guys want? Really? I've seen YouTubers like that shit. Like really, you don't want that. Come on, dude. I don't want that, man. I'm Greek. I'm expressive. I like emotion. Like, oh, chill, man. Do you chill in bed? Like, when you're fucking, are you like, or what do you prefer? What do you prefer when you're having sex? Do you prefer, like, let's say it's a girl. Let's say it's the girl, and she's on top of you, and she's like, do you prefer that? Or do you want those fuck faces of, whatever she does, or if you're a girl, what do? You want a guy doing like this? Or do you want the fuck faces? Like, You want the fuck faces. You want emotion. Hit the like if you like fuck faces. I'm serious. I'm not joking here. You want some emotional guy on YouTube being like, I told you not to sell XRP. I told you to sell XRP, to take profits and to buy in 72 cents. Is that what you want, really? Or do you want someone saying, I told you, man! Told you, motherfucker! That's what you want! Be honest. Oh, God. I gotta open up the air conditioner now. Now it's winter and I'm getting really, really hot. Ondo Finance, good. One of our favorite plays, yes, we are holding Ondo Finance. We've been holding it for a long time. We've seen massive profits, but we have not taken profits because I think it's going to go a lot higher. Hi, Paul. How are you? Will this cycle be better than 2021? We don't know, man. That's a magician. That's a magician answer. I can't answer that. Hopefully. Let's put it that way. Hopefully. I might even say probably. But I cannot give you a yes or no answer. Hey, handsome. I'm loving the live stream. Thank you. Oh, Crypto Princess. What's up? Hey, I have an interview with Crypto Princess. You should check out her channel, by the way, and subscribe. She has an awesome channel. How about TARS? We got into TARS. I made 3 videos talking about TARS. I even said in those videos why everyone else is making the videos, and I even told you they're sponsored videos. I even told you, even though they're sponsored, I even made the trade in the video in TARS, and we made massive profits, and it's doing great. It's going to go up as long as they keep up their marketing, and they probably will for a while. What do I think of Casper? I think Casper, Brett, and Aerodrome, Sean, should be in your crypto portfolio. Casper will pump inevitably at different times. That's why you need a portfolio of stuff, because sometimes they pump at different times. Aerodrome is great. I think you should hold that, and Brett as well as a Coinbase play or a base play, which belongs to Coinbase. I will start taking profit big when Ethereum hits 6 to 8K. 8 to 10K. But yes, 6 to 8K is also a good profit level. What's your thoughts on Gala? We got out of Gala, got into Miria and G-Swift and other coins a long time ago, man, because there was so much drama with the CEOs. XRP to $500. Yes, XRP. Wait. Okay. XRP just warming up. Okay. Wow, you are really a narcissist. Yes, I am. Jesus is king. Yes, he is. Don't tell Paul what to do. Yeah, don't tell me what to do. Enough of this stuff. Talk about crypto already did. Good chill example. Thank you, man. Jamie Woodward said, been a while since I made it live. Miss you too, bro. I love the confidence on these XRP guys. I feel like there's a new cult. The new cult's coming from ICP, actually, and from... There's new cults coming all the time. I was warning XRP Army they're going to become like SafeMoon, and they did, but obviously I said XRP is not going to go to zero like SafeMoon is, which it did. And now I'm warning IC people are going to become like XRP people if they're not too careful. Jerry Banfield, that was the name I was looking for like 45 minutes ago. Get back to the crypto, come on. I am talking about crypto, dude. I'm answering all your questions. Shit. Some people love giving me like, some people love telling me what to do on a live stream. Passion, baby. Yeah, Carol. Brett is dripping. Awesome. So what do you want me to get back to? I already said everything about crypto I had to say today, man. Like, ask questions. Shit. You're probably one of those guys with a straight face when you do it. Are you one of these guys? I'm sorry. Like, we're making a shitload of money. Why not have some fun on a live stream? I don't get it, man. Why so serious all the time? Seriously, we literally made so much money we could, you know, buy someone's net worth. and you're like telling me to get all serious? Come on, dude. Carol's laughing. All right, I'm going to end this. Okay, I'm going to end this live stream. I'm going to go out with my girlfriend. We're going to go have some dinner. We're going to go to a nice tavern, have some wine. Here's some boring stories. I have nothing to talk about, but it doesn't matter. Food's probably going to be good. So I love you all. Thank you very much. Please like this video. I would really appreciate it. I do see 50% of you not liking this video. Probably the guys that don't make no facial expressions, if you know what I mean. But the ones that, if you do make facial expressions, if you have fuck faces, like this live stream. I love you all. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.